Hi, I'm Private Eddie from Placerville, California. I'm here to talk to you about week 2 of 14 Tango AIT. Week 2 was a little slower than week 1. We got in the classroom on Monday and Tuesday and learned about electronic training manuals. And that was a little boring at first, but it's something we needed to know. Once we got out on the launching station, we learned about the power generator. We learned how to power it up, how to check and make sure it was running fine and everything. And once we learned that, that was actually really fun. Got a lot of hands-on training with that. We learned about the LSTS, which is basically the system that makes sure that the launching station works properly with the missile. And there's a laptop that connects to it. There's some cables that we learned about, how to place them on there. And that was basically what we did on Thursday. Today was what we did, what we call payday activities, where we dress up in our Army service uniforms, and we have a couple classes on anti-terrorism and a motivational class where we learned, you know, if we're in a hole, we can get through it. You know, a little motivation with our battle buddies. We had a battery run today, which was about 3.9 miles, which was a great way to start the day. It was great motivation. And then next week we'll have a physical readiness training test for basically determine if we get passed or not. And I'm excited for that. Get out on post for the next weekend. Next Tuesday we'll have our in-class test on ETMs, and that will be a great way to find out where we're at in class. That'll be some hard work because we got to go through and memorize all the the TMs that we're learning everything on, and that's week 2 of AIT.